Hi, welcome to my video on the motion of an object in the air. In this video I'm going to give you the velocity and you're going to find, not you, I'm going to find the time and the direction. The time that it reaches that velocity and the direction of that object and it has that velocity. So let's look at the question where we have the height, negative 5 t squared plus 30t plus 10. H is the height in meters, t is the time in seconds. Again, this is an object that's thrown into the air. And if you look at this number here, that's the velocity that's going up in the air at. This is the initial height when t is 0. And this is the when you get the derivative, double this and you get the force of gravity acting on the object. So I want to find the time and the direction when the velocity is 10 meters per second. So the 10 meters per second, so we got a VT of 10 meters per second. So the VT is also H prime T. So H prime T is negative 5 times 2 is negative 10T. Derivative of 30T is 30. Derivative of 10 is 0. So we want the velocity is 10 meters per second. So that means we have HT is 10. So that means that negative 10T plus 30 equals 10. The derivative is the velocity. The velocity is 10, so we'll solve this. Negative 10t equals 10 minus 30. Negative 10t equals negative 20. Divide by negative 10, I get 2. So at 2 seconds, the velocity will be 10 meters per second. Now, let me draw a graph of this height. So we have a graph, and we have a time, and we have a height. And when time is 0, the height is 10. So let's say this is 0 time and the height is 10. So that means this object, this opening, will leave here, and in 1 second, 2 seconds, etc., will go up in the air. So if we got the derivative done. So if we let this equal 0 here, and we'll get a negative 30. 10 into negative 30 is 3. So at 3 seconds, this object will reach its maximum height. And when it does right here, at 3 seconds, it reaches maximum height, and then it starts to come down like this. It's very similar to the last one we did. But the velocity is 10 meters per second. Because it's positive, that means it's on the way up. The velocity is positive when it's on the way up, and the velocity is negative when it's on the way down. So at 2 seconds, at 3 seconds it reaches maximum height. At 2 seconds the object is right here. So the velocity is 10 meters per second. So when is it negative? Negative is after 3. So we let the VT equals negative 30 meters per second, and that's your H prime T. So we want to find when it's the H prime. We worked out the derivative to be negative 10t plus 30. So the H prime is equal to negative 30 meters per second. So negative 10t plus 30 equals negative 30. Negative 10t equals negative 30 minus 30. Negative 10t equals negative 60. And that's at negative 10 divided by negative 60 is 6. So again, that makes sense. If you think about it, on the way up is positive velocity, on down it's negative velocity. So it took 3 seconds to go up. 6 seconds is here. So there's 3 right there. Here. So 3 up, 3 down. That means that at 6 seconds, if you think about it, it's going to be back to the 10 again at 6 seconds. So that means the velocity on the way down because the velocity is negative, it's going at 3 seconds, it's going down because it's negative, because of the negative velocity. And at 2 seconds, it's going up because of the positive VT. And again, 3 seconds it reaches maximum height, 2 seconds is on its way up, and 6 seconds is negative, is on its way down. So that's the time that it occurs, these different velocities and the direction. So positive velocity is on the way up, negative velocity is on the way down. And if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. The content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.